I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the window frame precisely. Write down width and height to the nearest 0. 5 cm so the mesh fits without bunching. Once done, remove the old spline and torn mesh. This clears the channel and prevents gaps later. Make sure to clean dirt from the frame tracks so the new spline sits flush. Cut the replacement mesh about 2 cm larger than the frame on all sides to allow tensioning and trimming during installation. You position the oversized mesh over the frame and align the center points so any wrinkles will be worked out symmetrically. Then press the spline into the channel starting at the top center to anchor the mesh. This prevents shifting as you work. Make sure to tension the fabric evenly, pull gently from the center toward each side, and roll the spline progressively. This technique creates a smooth, taut surface and keeps corners from puckering when you trim. You trim the excess mesh carefully using a sharp utility blade, cutting close to the spline so no loose edges remain. Once trimmed, open and close the window to test operation. Make sure the mesh clears tracks and the frame seals fully. If you find gaps or sagging, press out the spline and retension the mesh, or add a small strip of weather strip to improve sealing. This fixes most issues quickly. If spline grooves are damaged, replace the frame channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.